Baka kaya hindi ka makaklose. Kasi puro features ang binebenta mo. Maraming sellers, ganito magbenta. Sir, ganito kaganda yung unit. Ma'am, ganito karami yung inclusions. Complete amenities, high-end materials, premium ganito, premium ganyan. Pero may problema. Features don't sell. Feelings do. So instead of stopping at the feature, gamitin mo tong simple formula. Feature and then so that and then benefit. Example, instead of, Sir, malapit po ito sa mall. Gawin mong, Sir, malapit po ito sa mall. So that hindi nyo na kailangan bumiyahe ng malayo pag may kailangan kayo. Mas marami kayong time para sa family nyo. Instead of, Ma'am, malaki po yung down payment. Gawin mong, Ma'am, medyo malaki po yung down payment. So that mas maliit na lang monthly nyo. Hindi na mabigat buwan-buwan. Mas magaan sa cash flow. Every time you mention a feature, tanungin mo sarili mo, so that, and then what? Because people don't wake up wanting a feature. They say yes because of the result and the feeling behind it. Remember, features inform, benefits convince, feelings close.